Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here, and I got a wicked cool unboxing today from no other than Chuck. Yeah. We got the little Chuck over here on the side. He's gonna help us get in there. He looked like he was qualified, you know. Handles that lockpick pretty good, so see how he does with this knife. Whoa, wait, not yet. Calm down. Jeez, he wants to get in there, guys. Wait, you calm down, Chuck. We will get in there. We will get in there. We're just gonna go along this edge, I guess. Hiya! Like a ninja. Like a ninja Chuck. I mean, he has a black belt, so. What do we got here? Oh, no way. Oh my goodness. No way, Chuck. That is so cool. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness. Nice little envelope. We'll get that after. Chuck will guard that in the meantime. I'm really digging that. The blue and orange is like one of my favorite compliments, especially with the pack lock here. That's going to be one of the first ones going to try that with this. Oh my goodness. Let's get all these little packages out of here and we'll see what we got, guys. Alright, Chuck, we need you again, buddy. Yeah. Alright, some parts. There's your... Look like we got different length ones. Super cool. Some of you guys might be wondering why there's two here as well. We'll get to that here shortly. Maybe we'll get to that. Oh, sorry, Chuck, I stole that one from you. I ripped into it. Oh, too cool. No way. Chuck, you are the man, dude. That is beautiful. Holy smokes. That is wicked cool. I did not know this was going to be in there. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. This 3D stuff is so cool, and like what you can do, the possibilities, it's just blowing my mind. Oh wow, that is so cool. Got my first pick stand, nice rotary style. Oh, that's too cool. We're moving my stickers right out of the way for that. Put that up there. That is cool. Gonna have to load that up here in a little bit. Might have to just throw something in there real quick. Throw some multi-picks in there. We gotta throw something in this thing. Ha 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 ha. That is too cool. Upside down, Chuck. Hiya! Doing all kinds of tricks here. Alright, there's the tops there. Haha! Nice! A challenge lock. So cool. Screw You by Pole Delta. This is my 4th challenge lock. Screw You. I made it for my 5-pin Schlag. Oh, nice. Well, we'll give that another separate review. Check that out real quick, though. Nice. Alright, yeah, we're definitely going to have to check that out in a separate one. Super cool. Thank you, Chuck. Thank you, thank you. Hopefully I can get that back in there correctly. And then, oh nice. Everybody that's had it so far. Oh, that is so cool. Super cool. Thank you, thank you. Boom, boom, boom. One short, one tall. Extra parts and accessories. So cool. Loving the colors. Alright, let's get into this here. One last cut, Chuck. Oh, nice. Some Chuck chips. Oh, cool. A couple different ones. Well, since I already got one of the blue ones there, be tossing one of these in my giveaway bundle for the upcoming 200 sub giveaway. Hang on to the red one for a different variety. Look at that. Wicked cool. Couple Chuck chips. Nice. Thank you, Chuck. Or Lock Chuck, I should say. Come on, get out of there. Doesn't want to come out. Super cool. Nice. Add that up here to the collection. Got 3 different ones now from the community. Not including my own, but with other people's now. Stick that right there. He can guard that key. All right, awesome. Got one of them we can pass along here. All right, so the point of all this, too, being said, is one of these will be going into my 200 sub giveaway, one of the Vices, and somebody will be the proud new owner of a nice, cool blue and orange Vice as well. So stay tuned for that. Thank you again. Luck Chuck. Chucks everywhere. They've invaded NOTTODEAD's lock yard. Oh, man. We can put one over here with the zoo and the animal yard. I don't know if he'll play nice with them, though. Well, thank you again, Chuck. Super happy, super pleased. You are the man. Everyone, if you like, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share. And until the next one, take care.